Imagine waking up tomorrow and having every single tool you need to build content, design, video, voiceover, and marketing, all in one dashboard. No more juggling subscriptions, no more wasting time and money. Just one platform that does it all. Today, you're going to see how you can replace 25+ expensive AI tools, stop the monthly drain, and launch a business or side gig that actually makes you money. Ready? Let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I was exactly where you are. I got excited by AI tools, subscribed to one for writing, another for design, another for video creation. The bills piled up, the logins stacked up, and yet results were underwhelming. I spent hours editing, switching between dashboards, and still felt like something was missing. Then I discovered AI Titan, a platform that said it replaces all the tools I was using with one smart command center. And when I saw the features, the voiceovers, the avatars, the build your website in minutes capability, I thought, this could actually be the game changer. And it has been. Now, I'm going to walk you through why and how you can use it to make money, whether you're a beginner or you already run an online business. First, let's dive into the core benefits. With AI Titan, you get one platform that replaces 25+ expensive tools. It handles writing, design, video creation, voiceovers, websites, funnels, even hosting and cloud storage. No monthly fees, just a one-time payment for the launch. That means your profit isn't eaten away by subscriptions. Even if you haven't got tech skills, you just pick templates, enter your text, and let the system generate. Beginner-friendly. So, imagine this. You create a video ad in minutes, you write a blog or email campaign in seconds, you build a funnel that sells, all without switching tools, without hiring freelancers. That means you can focus on selling and scaling, not tool management. Next, why this is not just another software, but a money-making opportunity. Because you can offer services based on this platform. The page lists real people charging $45 to $800+ for AI services built using the same kind of toolkit. You can use it to build your own business, affiliate marketing, content creation, funnel building, video services. The platform gives you the tools and a commercial license for services. Also, think of the savings. If you'd normally pay $400+ a month for all these tools separately, here you're avoiding that expense, and you get the upside of selling services. That means your returns get boosted. In a nutshell, use the tool to build assets. Use the tool to offer paid services. Use the tool to automate your marketing. Put yourself in the position where your income can scale, because you're no longer limited by tool costs and tech headaches. Let's picture this scenario. Sarah is a complete beginner. She signs up for AI Titan. Within a few days, she uses it to create a faceless video ad for a local business. Took her 20 minutes, charged the client $350. Build a simple landing page and email campaign for an affiliate product. Set it live, started seeing traffic. Save $300 a month in tool costs because she no longer needs separate subscriptions. The result? Her first month net profit was more than her usual side gig. She's now scaling by offering done-for-you AI content and funnels, and taking 2-3 clients a month. All powered by one dashboard. That could be you. Let's break down key features that empower you. Video and voiceovers. Create avatars, human-style voice, AI podcasts, no camera, no crew. Design and images. Generate 4K images, background-free photos, full art and visuals. Website and funnel builder. Drag and drop, mobile optimized, templates ready to go. Content and copywriting. blogs, emails, sales pages, social posts, all generated with AI. Automation and hosting. OneTab iCloud, SSL, hosting. Included, no extra cost. When you combine all these, what you're really doing is building an online business engine. Not just using tools, but owning the entire process from creation to delivery to profit. You might be thinking, is this too good to be true? Fair question. Here's the deal. Yes, there are lots of AI tools out there, and yes, you can pay monthly for each, but most people never fully utilize them, or they get overwhelmed by managing 10-15 apps. With AI Titan, you cut through that. Do I need tech skills? No. The system is made for beginners. It's drag and drop, step-by-step, pre-trained prompts. Can I really make money with this? Yes, because you're not just using it for yourself. You can offer services, run affiliate promotions, or scale your own business. The potential is there. Ultimately, you have two choices: struggle with multiple tools, high costs and slow growth, or invest in one smart system and focus on growth, profit, and scaling. So here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and click the link below or above to claim your access to AI Titan today. Because right now, you get a one-time payment, lifetime access, commercial license included. The offer price is low, but time is limited. Once you're inside, log in and explore the dashboard. Pick a niche: affiliate, local services, e-com, content creation. Use the built-in apps to create your first piece of content or funnel. Launch your service offering or affiliate campaign. Keep 100% of the profit, no monthly tool bills taking a cut. If you act now, you could have your first paying client in days, or your first affiliate sale rolling in. Don't wait and let another month go by while you're still paying dozens of tool subscriptions and still not seeing momentum. Imagine 30 days from now. You log in, you've created your first video ad, you've launched your first funnel, you've saved hundreds of dollars, and you've either sold a service or made an affiliate sale. That's the power of having one dashboard that does it all. If you're serious about building real income, using real tools, and doing it without sweat and complexity, then AI Titan is the platform to make that happen. Click the link below this video to claim your access, and let's take this journey together. It's your time. Thanks for staying with me. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, if on YouTube, and share it with one friend who's also ready to upgrade from tool hopping to one system success. Drop a comment below if you've used many AI tools and what your biggest challenge has been. I'll reply, and let's talk about how AI Titan can change that. See you inside.